Hi everyone, have you heard of LazyGit? It's a simple terminal UI for interacting with Git. So let me show you what you can do with it. So first off, you have to be in a directory of a Git repository. Then you'll type LazyGit, and then you'll be presented with this interface. So you can see here the changed files. Then next you can see the branches. Possible commits, and if you have stashed something. And on the right hand side you can see the diff view of whatever either changed file or commit you have selected. You can navigate with the arrow keys, so you can have a look at the changes. You can use page up and down to scroll the diff. You can use tab to cycle through the panels. In the commit view you can basically also navigate through the commits and see the recent diff. With shift tab you can cycle back and forth. There's also a great help. So if you type question mark, then you'll get introduced to the shortcuts, which is quite helpful. If I would like to commit something, let's say I want to commit these changes to the just file, then I'll just type space to stage the change, and then C to commit it. Now typing enter commits it, and it now committed, and we can see here changes were committed. If you want to exit, you'll just type Q and you've exited. That's a quick introduction into LazyGit. It's a very user-friendly way of interacting with Git on a terminal. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. I'll share the link to the GitHub repository down in the comments as well. And thanks for watching. See you next time.